I like watching YouTube because it's a learning channel, so I like it very much.
Okay. So what type of videos do you watch on YouTube?
Actually, now I am learning freelancing. So
Mhm.
maximum time I was freelancing related videos on
Okay.
YouTube.
Which I mean YouTube channel do you like most? Do you have any favorite channel on YouTube?
Yes, I have a favorite channel, Faravi channel.
Why do you like his I mean videos, or why do you like his channel?
Actually, I like his channel because he created many videos how to learn freelancing.
Mhm.
So that I like this channel, and I like his teaching style. So I like it.
Okay, thank you so very much.